next one. The next two topics are important, very important in many problems based on these two techniques. Laplace transform of one function which is multiplied by t power n. Then how should I calculate? Means t power n into f of t. Now I am calculating what is that? Laplace transform of f of t which is multiplied by t power n. Means t into f of t, t into t square into f of t, or t power n into f of t. If you have this type of model, then what is the answer? Then statement of this problem, this type of technique. Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is known quantity. Every time you have to calculate like this. F bar of s is nothing but Laplace transform of f of t. Otherwise, Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. Over this is. Then Laplace transform of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n t power n by ds power n into f bar of s. Once again, Laplace transform of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. Means we are doing differentiation with respect to s how many times? N times. That is the formula. Then let me explain one example. Suppose Laplace transform of t into sine 2t. I have taken this example. Observe this one. Then how should I solve this problem? Immediately you have to understand it is in the form of t power n into f of t. F of t is sine t. T power n equal to 1 here. Means t into sine t. Means you should apply the multiplied by t power n concept. That concept. Now what is the formula actually? Minus 1 whole to the power of n d power n by ds power n f bar of s. F bar of s is what? Laplace transform of f of t. First you calculate f bar of s. Without calculating f bar of s, we cannot solve the problem. F bar of s equal to Laplace transform of f of t. What is f of t here? Sine 2t. Sine 2t. Then Laplace transform of sine 2t according to basic formula, sine 2t formula, 2 by s square plus 4. 2 by s square plus 4. Then the answer is for this one. Then you substitute this thing in this. What is that? Minus 1 d by ds into f bar of s. Minus 1 d by ds of 1 by s square plus 4. Then you do the differentiation for this one. Minus 1 by s square plus 4. Then minus 1 is outside. 1 by s square plus 4 is minus 1 by s square plus 4 whole square into 2as. Then the final answer is, this is nothing but Laplace transform of f of t which is multiplied by t power n. Now the next topic in this, Laplace transform of f of t which is divided by t. Then what is the answer? The statement once again, take the same thing. Laplace transform of f of t equal to f bar of s. This is known thing, right? If it is unknown, then you calculate f bar of s by applying Laplace transform of the given f of t. Means this is known quantity indirectly. Then Laplace transform of f of t by t. F of t by t means that equal to integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. Then the formula, once again I will explain you. Suppose, for example, Laplace transform of sine 2t by t. Then how should I calculate this one? Then observe the problem very carefully. Laplace transform of sine 2t by t is available. In place of f of t, again sine 2t is there, divided by t is there, divided by t. Then this can be written as Laplace sine 2t by t, that can be written as integral s to infinity f bar of s by s. The answer is, because it is in the form of f of t by t. Then you calculate separately f bar of s. F bar of s is Laplace transform of f of t. Laplace transform of f of t is nothing but Laplace transform of sine 2t. Sine 2t is 2 by s square plus 4. Then you substitute Laplace transform of sine 2t by t equal to integral s to infinity 2 by s square plus 4 into s ds, and you do the integration, then automatically we get the answer. Then like this we will calculate the problems. Based on this method also we have done some problems.